Hey guys, Elliot here for Worldwide Auctioneers, and I'm joined by Jim Pope here, one of our experts. And we wanted to talk to you about this car. This is a 1969 COPO Camaro, but it's not just any COPO Camaro, as if that wasn't special enough.
Exactly.
Jim, this is a double COPO. Now, what does that refer to?
Well, what it refers to is when they ordered the car and it was, went to be COPO, the sports suspension package, along with the 427 and the other equipment that was set up for this car, made it a double COPO. It's pretty rare. It's actually extremely rare. We use that word very rarely around here, to be funny, because we have a lot of nice cars. But when you get something that's been MacNeish certified, which this car has been as well, Jerry MacNeish, one of the leaders of Camaro, it just makes it that more rare and that more collectible, something that you're not going to have in your Camaro collection or GM collection.
Definitely. I don't know if I've ever seen one.
Yeah.
I
don't know that I have either, and we've been doing this quite a while.
Right.
If you go online, check out all of our listings, you'll see a lot more information. You'll see this binder and everything. We scan all that in so you can get accurate information of the car. Call me. We'd be glad to go over the car in detail with you, help you any way we can.
And this is just one of more than 250 cars that are going across the block at our Enthusiast auction this weekend, Friday and Saturday, April 25th and 26th, right here in Auburn, Indiana. Don't miss this Enthusiast auction. If you can't be here, be sure to get registered to bid on the phone, register to bid online, but trust me, you're going to want to be here to see cars like this Camaro and over 250 other collector cars. We'll see you guys at the Enthusiast auction.
See you there.